Hey guys, I'm so pleased to be back with you again. Our second model is a blogger. She's going to introduce herself.
I'm quite a creative person, I would say. I do modelling, YouTube and blogging as well. So I do like to experiment with different hairstyles, but at the same time I am natural. I don't want to lose my natural colours. Something that I could do to kind of introduce maybe a bit of colour or a different texture, but won't be too much of a change, and something that can still revert back to my natural colours.
I think a lot of people have this issue where they've gone natural, but they still want to have creativity. They don't want to be stuck doing the same thing all the time. So what I'm going to recommend is, first of all, we pick a really strong colour, but only use very little in your hair. It's not going to be all over. It will still stand out. It'll be more like a statement piece, almost like a feature. Now, you suit reds and you suit coppers, so I don't know how you feel about this range, but which one would you like?
I quite like this one.
Okay, so that's an intensive red. I'm going to use an ombre effect on Akila's hair. I'm going to apply it to the ends of her hair and fade it out. So rather than it being just a block colour, it's more like a sponge effect. Because she is creative and she doesn't want to edge, she doesn't want to be like anybody else, we're going to give her her own signature. So I'm going to start off by pre-lightening Akila's hair. I also put in the pre-lightener a secret ingredient called Mashuk oil. It actually deposits moisture into the hair. There's a lot of little nuggets of advice or little things you can do that, even though you are using chemical in your hair, it doesn't have to be damaging. So ombre, so by that means like I'm fading it into the hair, and the ends of the hair will be slightly brighter, and it will fade into a lower red and then merge into the black. This is my first stage. I'm going to leave that on the end because I want that to be brighter. So I will apply it gradually. So the darker bit will be applied to at the last stage, but it's left on for the least time. And the lighter bit is left on for the longest time because you actually want it brighter. So if we close the foil, and the heat that's created in the foil makes it process quicker. Now Akila's hair is very strong because she's not had colour anymore, it's virgin hair. And that type of hair tends to take a little bit longer to respond to any chemical. So again, doing my first stage of my ombre, and I want that to lift first, and I will fade it down with time. When applying, you need to really make sure that you brush that in several times, because what you're trying to do is capture all the different strands of hair, and naturally where hair is a bit more curly, it's going to be harder to get it through. But with the ombre effect, what you want to do is not miss out anything, and you gently just applying it, but you need to put enough product because it works on, it actually absorbs the product as you continue to do it. So put enough product, but still working it through, and it works on heat. Hence why we've got the foil, because the foil keeps the heat in and helps the process time to be quicker. So now I've got my effects all in, I'm going to go back and check the original. First one I did, I should have lightened up a little bit. It is coming on, but still needs a bit of time. So we're going to leave that now to just lighten up a little bit more, and then come back and do my second step for my ombre. Beautiful. We just pre-lightened it. We've got like a copper blonde base. Guys, you want to see this, it looks amazing. So we pre-lightened it, we've got like a very dark copper, a blonde copper, but it'll be light enough to show the red up, so the red will come up like really intensive. But just to remind you as well, this is the collaboration between Black Beauty and Hair and Sharon Adjei from Sharon Beauty. Okay, so I'm going to apply the red onto the pre-lightened hair, and it will automatically catch it. Now you need to put quite a lot of product on it because the hair absorbs the colour. I'm going to leave that on for about 15 minutes so the hair can just absorb it completely. And after that, we're good to go. Style. Right guys, I'm on my final touches now. You can see our colour intensive red. You can see that our model is happy. The style is very complimentary. And from someone who's got naturally very tight curly hair, we've transformed it and given it a really smooth look without no chemicals. And it's temporary, and she can rock this for a couple of days. And then when she's ready, she goes back to her curls. So all you natural ladies with your curls, if you want a change, come to Sharon, Sharon Beauty. Collaboration with Black Beauty and Hair magazine. If you have the questions, I have the answer. So I hope you like our final look. I'm just going to touch up, clean up, and our model is ready to go. Akila, how do you feel?
Great, I love it. I love the colour, I love the style. And like you said, I can go back to my natural curls whenever I'm ready, so it's great.
Hi everyone, we had an amazing day today doing the bloggers and the models hair. Make sure that you follow us, check out the videos when they come out. But I want to just talk to you and emphasize on Jane Carter products. That's the range we use for all our models today. The hair responded really well. It was moisturized, it was shiny. And when you see the videos, you'll see what I mean. All their products are natural. And I love the slogan, as we were talking about earlier, that it promises to care for humanity. So it's kind to you and kind to your hair. So I'd recommend Jane Carter's range to anyone who has natural curly hair or who wants to wear their hair smooth sometimes. Thank you for watching. Write in with your questions and your hair problems. Check out our YouTube on the Black Beauty and Hair magazine website. Write to me at Sharon Beauty. Check out my Instagram. Comment. Give me some ideas. Thank you very much for your time. See you next time.